The Supreme Court today has reiterated our faith in the Constitution and constitutional values. It is a complete slap and indictment of the government led by Shri Pramod Sawant in the state of Goa. The Supreme Court has straightforward dismissed the appeals filed by the state government. The Supreme Court has found that there was clear machinations done by the state government in trying to manipulate the entire constitutional machinery and override the constitutional provisions. The Supreme Court, using this judgment, has passed unique directions under Article 142 of the Constitution, directing that the law secretary who was holding charge as State Election Commissioner be removed forthwith, and directed that all across the length and breadth of India, that if there are state election commissioners functioning with dual charge, should be removed forthwith and the process be initiated for filling up this independent post immediately. Because this independent post is a very high constitutional post, as underlined by the Supreme Court even in this judgment, and the Supreme Court has come down very heavily on the law secretary for his conduct in the manner of functioning and even in the manner of maintaining the decorum as a state election commissioner. In my view, this restores whatever we had said. It completely upholds the judgment of the High Court. And don't forget, the judgment of the High Court was a division bench judgment where in very rare circumstances we have seen, and in our case, not only Justice Bharati Dangre, who wrote the judgment, had a supplementing judgment written by His Lordship Justice Mahesh Sonak, which reiterated the damning manner in which the constitutional mandate was being flouted by the state government. I think this is a victory for the people. It's a victory for the people who were sought to be kept out of elections. It's a victory for the underprivileged, for the reserved categories, and especially for the women who were sought to be kept out by this kind of manipulations by the government. I think it's a victory for justice and for Goa.
Doctor, what about the timeline given by the Supreme Court according to High Court judgment?
The Supreme Court today फकत मॉडिफिकेशन केला जजमेंट हायकोर्ट जजमेंटाचे ते 10 दीस दिलो ते रिजर्वेशन आनी रोटेशन करपा ते सुप्रीम कोर्टान सांगला ते 10 दीस आयजसून स्टार्ट जातले आनी 30 तारखेर एप्रिला पयले इलेक्शन कवर जातले. ते शेड्यूल फकत सुप्रीम कोर्टान मॉडिफाय केला, नाजाल्यार सुप्रीम कोर्टान आमच्या हायकोर्टा जजमेंटा हात लायले ना.